guys, welcome back to our channel Love Art, where travel is an art. How are you all? I know situation is very tough और जो भी हम लोग ने प्लान किया था ट्रैवल करने के लिए लाइक 2020 ड्यू इस बार भी नहीं हो पा रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ अ लॉट ऑफ रीजन बट द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज वी नीड टू स्टे सेफ नाउ. अभी घर पे रहिए और बाहर जब भी निकल रहे हो मास्क पहन के निकलिए. तो मेरे पास कुछ टिप्स है आपके लिए इफ यू वांट टू सैटिस्फाई योर वंडरलस्ट एट होम. आपको कहीं जाने का मन है बट आप जा नहीं पा रहे हो. आपने कुछ प्लान किया था बट वो हो नहीं पा रहा है. सो इट्स फाइन. यू कैन डू अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ एट होम एंड यू नो आपको उतना यू डोंट हैव टू बी अपसेट अबाउट इट. वी विल वर्क ऑन इट टुगेदर and yeah, so it will be a fun thing to do. The first tip that I have for you is you can satisfy your wanderlust at home by going for a virtual tour. आपको पता है कि आज के डेट पे लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग होती है फेसबुक पे, इंस्टा पे, बहुत सारी सोशल नेटवर्किंग वेबसाइट्स है जहाँ पे लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग होती है. सो इफ यू वांट टू विजिट अ प्लेस यू कैन जस्ट चेक आउट दैट प्लेस being live streamed by somebody else, or you can also check out, you can do a virtual tour of a place. There are many places that are offering a virtual tour. You can check it online, or आप exhibitions halls पे जा सकते हो. You can also attend different concerts, plays and theater. आप social occasions अगर पसंद करते हो, that is also a possibility today. You can virtually attend a lot of meetings these days. So yeah, if you're interested, if you have a passion to travel, you can stay at home and access different places. आप म्यूजियम्स जा सकते हो. If you are somebody who is really interested in music, you can attend gala nights. And we also have the privilege of using Google Maps. आप Google Maps पे point कर सकते हो, कहीं पे कुछ concert हो रहा है उसको आप virtually attend कर सकते हो. A lot of places offer this facility. और क्या कर सकते हैं घर पे? How to satisfy our wanderlust is watching travel shows. बहुत सारे ऐसे ट्रैवल शोज है OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे, नेटफ्लिक्स पे, अमेजोन पे, जो आप बिंज वॉच कर सकते हो एंड दैट कैन कीप यू एंगेज. इट कैन टेक योर माइंड ऑफ लॉट ऑफ नेगेटिविटी. सो आई वुड रेकमेंड यू फ्यू ट्रैवल्स कुछ है. द फर्स्ट वन इज डिपार्चर्स. डिपार्चर्स इज अबाउट two Canadian who plan to travel for a year but they end up traveling for a very long time. And they end up mostly in alternate countries. So it's a very much it's एक बहुत involving, ये बहुत engaging plot है और आपको बहुत मजा आएगा if you are somebody who is really interested in travel. Next best travel show that I really admire is Planet Earth. Planet Earth is about Planet Earth में सारी nature depicting चीजें दिखाई हुई है, from seas to hills to Himalayas to a lot of stuff. So if you are somebody who is really interested in knowing about nature, आप ये मूवी भी देख सकते हो, आप ये ट्रैवल शो भी देख सकते हो. The next best thing that you can do at home is you can listen to travel podcasts. आज के डेट पे podcasts are very very useful. आपको बहुत इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है, साथ में you get to know a lot of stuff from this podcast. So I have some recommendations. Zero to Travel एक बहुत अच्छी podcast about traveling. Girls Talk Travel is another very much engaging podcast. Andy Steve's Travel Podcast is another one जो कि बहुत ही fun है and it's a real inspiration to. And these podcasts are a real inspiration. Next thing that you can do at the comfort of your home is read travel related books. See, you must know, if you are a bookworm or even if you are not, आपको पता होगा that when you read novels or books, it takes you to a different place. It makes you a character of the book. तो अगर आप भी interested हैं to know more about traveling, or आप बहुत bothered हैं that you're not able to travel, you can take your mind off that and you can refer to कुछ travel books. I have few recommendations again. So the first book that I would recommend you is Way of Wanderlust by Don George. और एक बुक है An Idiot Abroad by Carl Pilkington. An Idiot Abroad by Carl Pilkington. और एक है Vagabonding by Rolf Potts. तो आप ये सारी बुक्स पढ़ सकते हैं, या आपके भी कुछ recommendations हैं तो मुझे जरूर बताइए. The next best thing you can do is you can challenge yourself and learn the local language of your dream destination. Suppose आपको स्पेन जानी है in future. So what you can do is you can start learning Spanish. There are so many apps that provide you free learning of these languages. साथ में there are many paid services जो कि आपको full courses देती है, and investing in it would really help you in future. So you can challenge yourself and take this activity and you can prove yourself. बहुत सारी apps हैं जो आपको interface provide करती है to speak with people who are like you, probably who are learning Spanish, or somebody who has learned Spanish and is interested in teaching others. So yeah, you can get involved in that, but be safe, and you shouldn't give your identity to others for your safety. आप और क्या कर सकते हो? The last best thing I would suggest you to do is आप अपनी next trip के लिए plan कर सकते हो. You can note down the places that you want to go in the next trip. You can also plan your budget accordingly. आप भी मुझे अपनी tips दे सकते हैं how you satisfy your wanderlust at home, and what other activities do you do to keep yourself engaged. Yes, thank you so much. This is all for the video. Please like, share and subscribe to us and keep supporting us, and we promise to keep you entertained throughout. This is Supriti, your host, signing off.